So as soon as you transfer control with the selector to DP, next step what you do using the KPOS 7. You have to proceed to joystick mode. Before you press the joystick mode button twice in the mode group of buttons, you have to select all thrusters available for DP. Normally all thrusters which are running and okay. And then in the Kongsberg KPOS 7, the double click buttons are marked with the bottom white thick line at the edge of the button. So as soon as you press twice the joystick button, you are already commandable on DP, and you may use joystick on all three axes like surge, sway and yaw. Next, what is needed to add at least one position reference system to DP model with a reason to assign the starting coordinate for the mathematical model of our DP system. As soon as that selected, you are ready to conduct movements on DP. And then let's overview our DP panel. The first what you see on the presentation is a group of buttons known as a system function. And there we have four important buttons: change position, change heading, present position and present heading. Those are used in auto position. And the main idea to change position, you press change position when you are in auto pose mode. And to change heading, you press the change heading button. And if you want to fix the position at present actual position, or if you want to fix the present heading, you have to press the appropriate button twice, present position and present heading. Ensure that you are moving with appropriate speed to press those buttons. I mean, rate of turn should be reduced to minimum, and the speed of movement should be less than half a knot when you are trying to press the present position button. All available modes for your DP installation or for your DP system installed on board of your DP vessel will be presented in a line of buttons known as modes. Position reference equipment and sensors selected in a group of buttons known as sensors. Instructor hand right now should not be taken in account. Numeric inputs to appropriate menus of your DP system, if needed, may be done with the numeric input keyboard, which has two functions: letter input or numeric input. The ABC button helps you to change the mode of the numeric input keyboard. We have multifunctional trackball with left and right click available for operator. The middle click is left for further development functions. Then buttons around of the trackball, we have four of them, also may be adjustable for certain functions, depends on software version. Joystick in Kongsberg KPOS is a 3-axis joystick which can let you operate on 3 axes: surge, sway and yaw, as previously been discussed. View selection set of buttons lets you to adjust the view of the working area of your DP screen. Only right working area may be adjusted by view selection buttons. Desirable thrusters for DP selected and added to DP model with the thruster selection buttons. Alarms and message line controlled with a group of button alarms. If you press acknowledge, you may acknowledge the present alarm in message line. If you cross the button with loudspeaker crossed, you may cancel the audio alarm. Alarm view leads you to the log of all available messages for your DP system. When you operate on board of DP vessel class 2 or 3, you should remember that command responsibility set of buttons is very important for you. With the take button, you determine which panel you are going to use for further station keeping. Also, with the give button, you may send control to the desired terminal. It looks like that. On panel where you have present control, you press the give button. On panel where you would like to take control, you press the take button. Then remember, DP system Kongsberg K-Post 7 has no power button on the panel. It has just indication about power supply and fault in case it happened, and the fault concerned to power supply, of course. Also, from left side of the panel, we have the heading wheel, which helps us to control the heading in any automatic mode as auto position, auto track, autopilot, and so on. The middle click on the heading wheel when you are in auto position or any other auto mode calls the appropriate heading change menu. The left and right click can adjust the decimals of the heading parameter, and the scrolling of the heading wheel adjusts the heading parameter value. Then if you would like to confirm the selection done, you press again the middle button and parameter will be implemented by your DP system.